Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get video notes option on Instagram. So guys, if you're using Instagram and want to get your new feature, that is video notes option, I'll help you how to get this option. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your Instagram app, and guys after this I am going to open my messages. So guys, in a single tab, and guys you need to click on here is the tab of your notes. And guys you will see I have only audio option. So guys, how can you get video? So guys, simply you can get this. So guys, first of all, here you can see, here you will find the option of, here is the option of picture. Simply when you have click on this tab, and guys after this you will be able to send your video note from here easily. So guys, if you have not get this option, that is video option, then guys you need to go back, and guys you need to open your Play Store. If you're using iPhone, you need to open your App Store, and guys if you're using Android, then guys you need to open your Play Store in this phone. And guys here you need to search Instagram, and guys after opening Instagram, then guys you need to update your app if not updated. So guys, when you have updated your Instagram, then guys this feature will be added on your Instagram, and guys after doing this you need to go back. So guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem and still not have this option video or notes, then guys you need to open your Instagram again, click on your main profile icon, click on three lines, click on settings and privacy, and after this you need to scroll it below, click on help, click on report a problem, and guys click on report a problem, click on include and continue. And guys here you need to write your problem that you have not option of video notes and want to get your video note option. And guys after writing your problem below, you need to write your username of Instagram and email address for contact purpose. And guys after this simply you need to send your report, and guys within few minutes you will be able to get a update on Instagram. And guys when you update your Instagram, then guys your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.